Hey everybody, this is Coach D here with TackleTrading.com, and I wanted to invite you to come join us for a very special webinar that we're hosting this Wednesday evening. It's absolutely free, and we're going to be talking about swing trading. Now, if you already know what swing trading is, awesome. You don't want to miss out on this webinar because we're going to be walking you through the STEP swing trading system that we've created for you over at TackleTrading.com. Now, if you don't know what swing trading is quite yet, what swing trading is where you learn how to take small, calculated risks in exchange for the potential to make high percent yields in a very short period of time. Typically, a swing trade lasts anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks or so. And again, we're looking for really high percent yields trading either the stock or the options on the stock. Now, you can come learn how to swing trade, and I can give you a quick preview of how it works in just 3 easy steps. You ready? Step 1. Step 1. Read the Tackle Trading newsletter every week. And when you read the Tackle Trading newsletter, you'll get the breakdown on what's going on with the market. You get a really nice write-up, shows you what's going on, what news is coming out, an awesome video that breaks down the whole market for you. And it's going to help you identify which part of the markets are hot, what's going on with the market breadth indicators, and what to expect out of the market from a seasonal perspective. And then again, we break it down for you by sector and show you which sectors are hot or not. So this week, we're looking at utilities, real estate, and consumer staples as the strongest sectors in the market. And then for the bearish side, we see that the energy sector is really, really weak, and that might be where we look for a bearish trade or two. So now you understand step 1, we read the Tackle Trading newsletter every week. You ready for step 2? Okay, now that you've read the newsletter in step 1, you're ready for step 2. We actually go in and read the scouting report. So this is the options report this week, and I'm just going to walk you through the options report. You got a really nice write-up. Coach Tyler did an awesome job. You got a killer video that breaks down all of the scouting report setups that we bird dog for you. And then you go check out the list of those candidates where we show you where the entry, exit, and profit targets should go, and you pick your favorite candidate. So really step 2 is to go to the scouting report and pick your favorite candidates off of the watch lists. Now, this week, I see a couple of good bullish trades that I like. And since we like the consumer staples sector, for example, I might go ahead and pick Costco here because they sell consumer staples and that's doing real hot. And again, Christmas is coming. And so Costco's got a nice little bullish setup. And we'll probably go ahead and plan and place a trade here on Costco for you in the next step. Now, for the bulls, I like that Costco trade. And then down here, if we were to go pick a bearish trade, and remember, we thought that the energy sector was really weak. And I notice here that we got Occidental Petroleum, and that's a nice little stock and a bearish breakdown there. So I have found a bullish trade in Costco, and I found a bearish trade in Occidental Petroleum. And we'll come back and show you in step 3 how we actually plan and place those trades. Step 3, we're actually going to talk about planning and placing those trades here and actually seeing the potential risk and reward on each and every one of these trades. Now, I'm going to start out with that Costco trade, and I'm going to show you we got here the entry price criteria, the stop loss criteria, and the target criteria. And I went ahead and planned that trade down here, and I went and put that in where we show the trigger, the stop loss, and the target. And with that particular trade, we're looking for about a 5.26% yield to the profit target in exchange for about 1.87% risk to the downside to that stop loss. Now, come join us for the webinar so you can actually see how this trade pans out, and we'll show you how we manage the trades and, again, how we go through and we talk about placing those orders and executing that trade. Let me show you the bearish candidate here. This one will probably blow your mind. This is Oxy. We got an entry price criteria for short selling. We've got a stop loss criteria to exit the trade in case it goes bad. And then we got a profit target down here, 38 to 36. In this case, we're looking at a potential of 3.58% risk in exchange for a potential 9.83% reward. 9.83%. That's better than the S.T.E.P average over the last 100 years for a whole year. And we're talking about a swing trade that takes a couple of weeks. So if you like what you're seeing, come join us for the webinar. We're going to make it fun. It's going to be entertaining. You're going to learn a ton. You're going to learn about the STEP system. And then we're going to invite you to come check out TackleTrading.com for free. It's going to be an awesome webinar. We'll see you there. Register now.